Hi, we are CodeEmAll and we are delighted to present our solution to the generative AI problem statement under Crack Hack by GDG IIT. First of all, we would like to thank GDG IIT Mandi for giving us such an opportunity to showcase our talent. Before going on to our solution to the problem statement, let me bring you a question. Do you face problem in everyday campus life? Maybe a problem concerning your placements, maybe a problem concerning administration, maybe academics, maybe hostel, maybe accommodation. But sometimes do you feel if you could have a person, if you could have a tool, if you could have a straight away guidance to reach the goal, to solve that problem? Yes, right? So, we bring to you Campus Bureau Navigation Intelligence, something which is powered by SLM, a generative AI, to help you solve your everyday campus problems. Let's take an example. Rita is a brilliant student, a brilliant top student studying at IIT. But what happens is she loses her ID card in one of the classes. She has a quiz the next day. She needs the ID card as soon as possible. But the fact is, she is an introvert and she doesn't talk much to our seniors. What can she do? She needs a tool where she type in she has lost her ID card and it tells her the solution. So, what is our target audience? Our target audience are people who are introverts, who want to solve their problems efficiently without much interaction. Secondly, the college campuses, the college administration, they need a tool, they need a way so that they can interact with their students without much effort. For example, Rita has just lost her ID card. Would she go to the director? No, right? She would take away certain steps and go to solve her problem. And here is the solution.
Well, we built a campus assistant using structured policy data and common student queries. The model is trained to give step-by-step guidance while avoiding hallucination. When a student asks a question, it returns a grounded, reliable answer based on campus processes. This is the flowchart. Our system is built on a modular AI stack. The front end is developed in React with White to provide a responsible conversational interface. The backend runs on Fast API, which handles routing, validation, and response orchestration. At the intelligence layer, we use a dual model architecture. One model provides procedural guidance, while another handles grounded factual responses, ensuring the assistant never fabricates information. For training, we leverage Modify to generate distinct synthetic data, training to a domain, allowing us to refine tune compact models efficiently. The system is deployed within Version for the front end and Render for the backend services, while models are hosted while having phase. For robustness, we use Requestly and automated test suites to simulate real scenarios and validate behavior under uncertainty. Well, this is a sample data we use. It includes a major data of administration, followed by academic, hostel welfare, etc. Because this is mostly what we see in real life. The students mostly face administration issues, followed by academic, and so on. Now, let's move on to a real life example. Suppose a student X lost their ID card. Now, what should they do? Well, they can come on this interface of our app, the CBIN assistant. Now, if you click on Start Chat and ask the assistant that they have lost their ID card, now it gives a step-by-step solution to their problem. It recommends to report loss to the security office, pay replacement fee at the bank, submit receipt to the admin block, and collect new ID the next day. That was it from Team CodeEmAll. Thank you so much.